Big up Beres. If you want to take a rest now, my boss, nothing no wrong. If you want to take a rest now, my boss, nothing no wrong. Hold your rest. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your money. You understand what I say? Go on trips with your family. You know what I say? Jump on your boat, your yacht, your private jet, whichever. You know? Give some good quality time to your wife. You know, spend some more time with your son and your daughter, them or wherever you do as fun. You know what I say? Produce 2 big songs before you cut. You know what I say? Vice, couple collab, vice up some song. You know? Because the legacy lives on, you know. And you are Beres, you know. And if you retire now and go cool out, you are still the biggest. So, we have to big up Beres, man. And say, enough respect, me general. Enough respect. No boy test. No girl test. You are the biggest. You understand? Big up Harmony House Records and big up the whole team. Love and Harmony Cruise. Yeah, you know, a Jamra Cruise and my cruise. And them book me and them show me love. But we have to big up Harmony House too. Because you know, the legendary Beres, man. Okay, so after Beres now, it's supposed to be Babyface, right? Or him name Kevin Babyface Edmonds, right? Or something like that. Was theme time. All of a sudden, me hear them say, first, me get a call what upset me. I want to talk to Babyface. Me don't know if you might watch this or somebody there around can show him. But if you're there around Babyface right now and you see this, show him because I want to hear what me say. Now, Kenneth Babyface Edmonds. Before the announcement come on the TV, somebody there at the show and call me and tell me, say, your people them are run with everybody from backstage. I say nobody not for the backstage when you are forward. At this time, our good we're living right now, because you know Bob Marley the ultimate. Our God of music right now, Beres Hammond was backstage when you make a speech there, or when you send the order there. And I was told that Uno tell Beres say him have left backstage. Now Kenneth Babyface Edmonds or Kevin or what you want him. Don't ever get it mama bleeding blood. Hey, don't ever get it twisted in your head. So you're bigger than Beres? Big disrespect. Me say the man say him nah go up on stage until everybody from backstage move. Including the goat, your outer order. Babyface, your outer order. You disrespect Jamaica. Babyface, do not trick yourself, my youth. Babyface will like your song, them, you know. You're a great writer, you're a great artist, you're a great talent, you know. But all you fi send message about nobody enough for the backstage. And you hear say Beres round there dry off him sweat. And a cool off. And them I tell Beres say him have to get up what time 10 him have to cut. You're mad. You're out of order, bro. Me hurt, me pissed off. Me feel away. Probably if all a problem man like me did there Sumfest, be a back of fling when you sing. Just for the fact that me hear say Beres round there, yeah, but everybody including artists have to move from backstage. You're mad, man. You're mad, youth. It's part of the show. Couldn't live stream. Remember, so me get the call first. Me get the call first about the backstage thing before me even hear about the no streaming party. You know, sister Babyface stress out Wayne Marshall and Tommy. Make Wayne Marshall look more stressed than how him stressed already. When them realize say Babyface part of the show now go stream. Yeah, be a problem the man cars around the bridging. Be a problem. Me nah lie. Remember say me one of the man authenticating you know, and said, Joe, oh you have to take out the international part out of Sumfest. Can't make sense. And Joe got suburbs and put in back the international part. But now Babyface, you make this look like a slap in the face. Like, you come in them back a diva thing and a style thing, dog. Me not like that, bro. Me not like that, dog. Hurt my feelings. And then the great Beres around there and security come tell Beres, but everybody have to clear backstage. Everybody who all the police or the security will tell Beres that should have just dropped down. Lightning should have just strike him same time. Lightning should have just strike the security the same time. Any police or security got said that to Beres or said that to Beres team, Lightning should have just strike them. Babyface for no say, little boy, you not talk, but move every artist and your ear say Beres around there. You have to humbly go over there and say, sorry, Mr. Beres, man. I never know say you did wrong here. You see me I say? I bend. I hurt. I vex. I feel away. Anyway, you say Babyface perform good. We never get to see him in performance because them cut off the live stream because him say him not give permission for them live stream. Anyway, people post the performance after. To my vex me even to watch it. This away, Downtown Entertainment lose it for night 2. Zin? Now hear me? Night 2. This is where Downtown lose it where I am concerned. Remember, I now get paid for the review. So I do review just for the fans, just for the people. And I like nobody to pay me and I like Downtown book me for doing a review or nothing. When me hear Tommy and Wayne Marshall I say, up next is Yani. Yani, him can sing. I have 2 little songs go on. I don't care if you sign to Downtown Records or Downtown Entertainment or Marcus Records or who you sign to. You have no place working after Beres, Hammond and Babyface. Let me repeat myself. I'm not fighting against your youth. I'm not bad mind you. None of that. You do not have any place working after Beres Hammond and Babyface. Don't sound fuck up right this up. Don't sound mess up right this up. Wrong slot, brother. Wrong slot. Wrong slot. Where you honestly think say you are come sing to we after Beres Hammond, remember every slur and every word out of Beres Hammond mouth are eating. Every word and every slur out of Beres Hammond mouth is a it. Everything when Babyface sing and say is a it. Where you think say now, you are gonna come sing to we fi outdo where Babyface and Beres Hammond do. Youth man, sometimes we have to understand yourself, you know. Two things can hurt you. Underperform and undermining yourself. And the next thing that can hurt you is overperforming and overprojecting yourself. You're out of pocket for working after Beres Hammond or Babyface. Johnny, what is? I don't know about them set goals something, you know. How this work? Hold on, the people. I don't know if the goal is set now. I don't know. Okay. Alright. Maybe I to understand that something here now. No, people, me is just a youth where I always talk the truth, you know, and say, oh, me see things, right? Even though he's a down-sound artist, Yani, you're not there no way to work after Beres and after Babyface. Which part? Where? How? You not have a song to match up to that something there? You not have no song to match up to that something there, brother. So you have to understand yourself. And who are put you up on the show have to understand themselves too. It can't make sense. One heap of artists like when we talk the truth. But vex when time I feel them time for me talk the truth, but you understand me I say? So I want to know why you think it was appropriate for you think say for you think say you can perform after Beres and after Babyface. Yo, I don't understand them something, you know. I don't understand them something. Me understand that something, dog. Why this I tell me to reset this thing here? I mean, Jaja. People, me not understand that something here. Yo, I don't know that's something you're going on, Bridget. Yeah, cause this track me, I'm more continue the conversation. So here we go now, people. See? The timing for Yani wrong. You not reach the level in the music yet. You can't work after Beres and Babyface. It would have to be probably Ghost, Rummy and Virgo. You know what I mean? Somebody with a slew of hits. You don't have them there yet, dog. You don't have them there yet. You see what I say? So you're not worthy for work after them two got there. I swear. I should have you, then Beres, then Babyface. You understand what I say? Because no one is there for your work after Beres. And no one is there for your work after after Babyface. Zin? So it's supposed to be you, then Beres, then Babyface. And then Luciana. Luciana It Factor. You understand? Even though I still not feel like Lucy should have closed the show. And something seriously upset me with, well on there. Chabomba cloud, hold on there. This gold thing here. I don't know how to do this thing here, you know. Why this I say one? Why? No. Yeah, people, I not to understand that something, you see me? I don't know if it's set up goal or none of them something. I just goal. I remember I don't know nothing over here. I don't understand how it work over here. So. Anyway, back to the story now. Yani pissed me off. So every minute this I got to set up goal and then something, yeah? How would the blood clot this? I don't know nothing about this, you know. I don't know nothing about this shit, you know. Jaja. Alright, let me try this. So it has a one all the time. But by the time I come out fight it done, oh me set up goal like what the fuck is going on? I don't know how to do this thing. Hold on, people. Yeah. Hear me say now, people. Yani upset me. One, him a work the wrong time. Zin, Yani work the wrong time. People, when you stop say everybody a come now, no? And because I can't go live over Instagram, that's why I'm over here. I not like TikTok. Zin? People, I want to remember the first time we get introduced to Yani. It was in the pandemic when Conscience called out. Did you guys remember what I said? When I see him the first time. I say, talented youth, him can sing for real, but I don't like him name. You remember? I don't like him name because it's a girl name. Him can sing him talented, but it's a girl name. I think him should have changed him name. Alright. Couple years him a work, him a do him thing. I kinda watch him. And I notice him always a build him close them with a little feminine touch. You know, say one night, I reach one full stop. The other night, Sumfest outfit, I reach a full stop. Me not there to judge nobody, you know. I have to drink liquor water. Me not there to judge nobody. But every year I see Yani and Sumfest, him outfit them questionable. You see that one year this time, it not questionable, you know. It lead me to one conclusion. See? I end up having to come off the live stream. Because I couldn't bear to see the outfit no more. So, Yani caused me to miss Luciana's performance. Me upset. Now, I not cast no judgment on Yani. All me have to say is this. You see, if Yani straight, that means she bother straight. If Yani straight, that means RuPaul straight. If Yani straight, Boy George straight. If Yani straight, George Michael straight. If Yani straight, that means Elton John straight. If Yani straight, that means P. Diddy straight. That's all I can say now. I am not saying he is or he is not. I am just saying if him straight, RuPaul straight, Shibada straight, the man have on a belly skin blouse jacket with one fishnet something under it to show belly skin. Rude boy. What you can tell me? Every year you tread the needle a little more and a little more. Every year you tread the needle a little more and a little more, brother. Brother, your sister outfit that you have on, man. Or your auntie outfit, man. Or what the blood... Yo, what do you youth? Then who you... Dog, look how the man do him here. Look how the man do him locks. With one side, he has so gone around, son. The next like, are you a girl? What y'all try? What y'all try be Yani? What y'all try do? What y'all try be the breakout drag artist of Jamaica? What y'all try do? Miss Rich is welcome. What y'all try do? Me not understand. Him know what him a do. Him, that's why me a talk now, cause him know what him a do. You think him not try on that and fit it before? And we are do with fish mesh under. When you don't expect for the lean things and expect me to talk, say on the straight. Do not do lean things and expect me to say on the straight. Do not do lean things and expect me to say on the straight about it. People tell me now, man, the man in our belly skin something we make above him navel, we are show belly skin and do him locks like a girl. And bro, if you act like a sprat, you're sprat. Bless up for the money gun, parking enforcement. That another fashion that a bottom. It's like you crawl out of a closet like you embarrass toddler and scatter them and the whole of them. What kind of outfit that you want? The outfit that burn up. I'm not care if you're vexed, brother. Run up. You're talented, but you move like one aquarium you live in, brother. You know, out of order, brother, but the outfit there, your sister fi have on that, or your backup singer, brother, you could have won with 1 million girl on stage. That not convince you say you're not gone. Because your outfit gone. And enough of you go two-way. Enough of you double socket. Enough of you dual citizen dog. Enough of you dual citizen, bro. Me no understand. The outfit that disturb me and make me turn off the something. And nobody watch Lucian and I knock me go my bed. All of the extraness the way I do can't eliminate say you're in a girl clothes, brother. You advertise belly skin and have a fishnet, marina or whatever you have on under that dog. So you coulda wine pan 1 million girl, you coulda go in a 1 million bathtub, you coulda turn a shower over your head. It's still not take what the fuck say. You go low. My youth, millionaire 561. How I doing a day in a life? How I doing a day in a life now? What you talk about? We are talking about a man that come out in a one belly skin, woman blouse, jankuno kind of outfit with him belly skin a show, and him a go like him more dainty than Denick or Jada or Stark Ashley or anyone I got them. Me can't accept Yani. Remember, you know, we are watching you from your just come from the scene and you close them always a feminine touch. Miss Riches, are your friend mother son? You sure are your friend mother daughter? Cause Diane move like I'm feminine side him and bring out. Cause we are watching from day one him a perform. We can pull up every Sumfest performance. Him clothes them always have a little feminine thing about them. But that one are the worst. As when me say, he might straight. But if him straight, that means Shibada straight. And if him straight, that means Quiet Perry them straight. And if him straight, that means the one who get him back and play with on the podcast straight. And it means if somebody said them think him buy, me feel like him sell. You feel like him buy, me feel like him sell. Why not laugh? It's not a laughing matter, you know. This is not a laughing matter. This is something very serious. Very, very, very serious. I don't know people. That's where Sumfest ended for me. I not get to see I never talk to Yani yet. I don't have no number for Yani. I don't know him. I don't know him, you know. So I don't have no number for call him and tell him nothing. And after him weird that up on stage, I wouldn't call him even if I have him number. Cut off straight. Because before him weird that him should have asked me, say, what do you think, Chef Foota? I should have weird this. I would have said, hey boy, go one side and mind me, hey, burn up that. You understand? So nobody asked me if me have number, even if me have number for him. After him wear that up on some first stage, me wouldn't have no number for him. Me not have time to keep up with nobody where I show you where them I deal with. I show him, I show we say over woman side him there. And when I say over woman side, I mean say him I sing for woman or I dress for woman. Him I dress like a woman. People wanna understand me, me no come boy, you have to beg friend with righteousness, you know. Me no come around, you have to beg friend with the culture, you know. Me no come around here. I reach the life goal. Alright. So them say, confirm this. I say it go or I say it go. Say it go. Yeah. Zine, me no come around here for beg friend. Me no come around here for sugarcoat nothing. Me no come around here to be friendly with nobody. Anybody not like me because me a defend righteousness and me a defend the truth. So be it. God go with you now. You understand me? Yeah, so me no really have no time for give laugh and peace soup for people who are the foolishness, brother. Me no have no time for that. You understand? So me no want nobody in a bag of talking with me when nobody do foolishness, brother. And then go on like say, me fi skin me teeth. Me not skin me teeth. Yani, you go low. You go low, you wobble rude boy. You wobble my lad. You understand me I say? So, me no want nobody, me not lie man, yo, the way me vex, you know, man. Me no bother watch Luciana performance, you know. Cause I couldn't stay up and watch him till Luciana forward, you know. Me couldn't do it. Me couldn't do it. Me could do it. I swear me couldn't do it. Me couldn't do it, star. Me I say, no, what are you to really try bringing my music? What kind of style this? What kind of dirty style this? Me I thought Yani the artist. Yeah man, him go low man, him go low. The outfit in a work boy, brother. With belly skin a go for man and I show belly button at go sit down. Yeah man, we not play them game them man. I wish big back woman forget black. I wish it did. Hold on, let me look. I fell asleep UK time. We are talking down. You have to put more than one gift. So what? Who is you to judge the man? Oh, okay. Yeah man, you forget black. Me not judge him. First thing, judging, people like to use that word, judge. You not judge somebody when you see them do what they do. Remember, him a do it, him a do it. And him a do it, you see me? So, me not judge him. Because him a do it. You understand me? I say, I know me. Him a do it. He's the one doing it. Him a the one that do it. And then nobody a tell him to do it. Him do it. You think him not try the outfit there before? And no say it's shaky. And no say J Muller, all wicked girl summer. Big up J Muller, you know. Yo, wicked. She there on the TikTok, yeah. A moderator, me no want a moderator. Me do it myself. Me no want nobody a angle my page for me. Me no depend on that. Me will decide what me I do. One link, you know what going on? Mother Ross, you know. Denver, Colorado, you know. No. Alright, Seattle, Washington, yeah. Outside. Yeah, so people just have to understand with me and bear with me. A Foota hype me name. The shape. When me see fuck with me, I gotta talk about it. And you know what make me worse of vex? You know what make me worse of vex? The man make me not get to see Luciana perform. Cause to all me hurt and me vex and me in my feelings, me just turn off the blood clot TV and go on my bed. You understand me I say? Come here, I say, I can't this, me I go sit down and watch until Luciana time. Me nah do it. Me nah do it. Me not doing it. You see me? Me say me nah do it. Cause me can't stay here so I look on a brother here. In this big Batman clothes here. And say me cool I watch this. No. Me lock it off and go on my bed. So me think night 2 was a disaster. Me think night 2 was a disaster. Me think night 2 failed. Me think night 2 failed comparing to night 1. If you don't understand me I say. Comparing to night 1, I would say night 2 was a failure. You understand me I say? Me not think night 2 live up to where night 1 go on with. You get me? Yeah, I don't think so.